Introducing the 2022 Volvo Xc60 T6 Phev Inscription EXP 5-door AU in sleek black. This stunning Estatejeep boasts a powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, cruise control and ambient lighting, this Volvo offers luxury at every turn. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. And with stylish details like roof rails and LED lights, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.